Now the question before us is, what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. We have been given the value of pi as 3.14. So now what has been given to us is tarpaulin. Tarpaulin has to be used. Suppose this is the tarpaulin which has been given to us. This is the tarpaulin. Now it is 3 meter wide. We have been asked to find out the length. This is the length which we will have to find out. This tarpaulin is to be used for making a conical tent. This is the conical tent. This conical tent is the height 8 meter. This is the height. This is the radius. This is 8 meter. And this part, this which is the radius, is 6 meter. So now the tarpaulin is to be used for making the conical tent. That is, the tarpaulin will be used only on the slanted area of the cone, that is the curved surface area of the cone. So we will first find out the curved surface area. Now what is the formula for finding out the curved surface area? It is pi RL. Pi RL. The values which have been given to us is height is 8 meter. Base radius, that is radius, is 6 meter. To find out the curved surface area, we will have to find out the value of slant height. We know that the slant height, radius and height are related to each other by Pythagorean theorem, and the relationship is shown by the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. In other words, we can say that slant height L is equal to under root R square plus H square. We will fill in the relevant values. Value of R is 6 and the value of height is 8. It will become 36 plus 8 square is equal to 64 is equal to 36 plus 64, it will become 100. 100 under root 100 becomes 10. So the value of slant height is 10 meter. So we will here put in the values. What is the value of pi which has been given to us? 3.14. 3.14 into R value 6. What is the value of L? It is 10. So now we have find out the curved surface area of the tent. It is 188.4 square meter. So now we also know that the area of the tarpaulin is equal to curved surface area of the tent. What is the area of tarpaulin? This is the tarpaulin area. This is length into breadth. We know that the length, breadth has been given to us as 3, but we do not know the length. We have to calculate the length. This is the area of tarpaulin. The tarpaulin is to be used for the area of the tent. Area of the tent is curved surface area. What is the value of curved surface area? It is 188.4. So now what is the length of the tarpaulin? It will come out as 188.4 over 3. It will come out as 62.8 meter. This is the length of the tarpaulin. But here we have been given that some cloth will be wasted in stitching or cutting. Just as this cloth has been folded to make the shirt, in the same way when the tent is made, some cloth is or tarpaulin is wasted in cutting or folding or in stitching margins. So what is the stitching margin? It has been given as 20 centimeter. So now what is the given margin? Given margin is 20 centimeter. So now what is the length which has been calculated as? This is the, suppose this is the 62.8, but here is some margin which has been wasted. This is, what is this? We have calculated this point. The cloth which has been actually, or which has been showing to us as has been used for covering the curved surface area, what is appearing to us outwardly, but the cloth which has been gone inside or has been wasted is in addition to this 62.8. What is this? This point, this is 20 centimeter. So when we add 62.8 plus 20 centimeter, the actual value of the length of tarpaulin will come out. So the total length is 62.8 plus the margin is 20 centimeter. When we add 62.8 meter plus 20 centimeter, it will come as 63 meter. This is the total length of the tarpaulin which is required. We have added 62.8 with 20 centimeter and we have find out the total length of the tarpaulin. So we have been able to find out the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.